Starting a turboprop engine is a fascinating process that combines precision and engineering. First, we begin by ensuring the aircraft is in a safe position, with the parking brake engaged and all safety checks completed. This is crucial for a smooth start. Next, we move to the cockpit and power up the battery. This energizes the electrical systems and prepares the engine for startup. Once the instruments come alive, we check the fuel quantity and ensure the fuel valves are open. Fuel is essential for ignition, and we want to make sure everything is set. Now, it's time to engage the starter. In a turboprop, this typically involves activating the starter switch. This sends a signal to the starter motor, which begins to crank the engine. As the propeller starts to turn, we monitor the RPM gauge closely. We're looking for a specific range to ensure the engine is spooling up correctly. As the engine cranks, we introduce fuel into the system. This is done by moving the fuel lever to the run position. The fuel flows into the combustion chamber and we're almost ready for ignition. At this point, we also monitor the temperature gauges to ensure everything remains within safe limits. Once the engine reaches the required RPM and the temperature stabilizes, we initiate the ignition sequence. This is where the magic happens. The igniters spark and the fuel-air mixture ignites, causing the engine to roar to life. It's a thrilling moment as the propeller begins to spin faster, generating thrust. After the engine starts, we check the oil pressure and other vital signs to confirm that everything is functioning properly. It's essential to ensure that the engine is stable and ready for operation. If all checks are green, we can then disengage the starter and prepare for taxiing. Throughout this process, communication with the ground crew is key. We confirm that the engine start was successful and that we're ready to proceed. Each step is critical, and attention to detail is what keeps us safe in the skies. Starting a turboprop engine is not just a routine task. It's a blend of technology and skill that showcases the marvel of aviation engineering. The thrill of hearing that engine roar is a reminder of the power and precision that goes into every flight.